Hey guys, it's Megan at Posh Pro Project. Finally, it's here. The bulk share tool. I'm super excited. We've been asking for it for a long time. There are some glitches, however, so we're here to talk about it. Really quick, if you are about to share your whole closet, what they don't tell you is you need to go over here and make sure you're only sharing available items. Now, you can share all kinds of things. You can just click all tops or all pants or all a particular brand, because assuming you want to just share it into a party or something like that, you have that ability. Next, for some reason, when you click this button that says all, you want all shared, it's only going to show you some of what your closet entails. It's only showing you 40. So just scroll on down. Oh, there it goes. See, it starts to, and we'll speed this up for you, it starts to show your entire closet is about to be shared. And for me, that's somewhere in the range of 1,200 items. So I'm going to have to scroll for a little while here. So we're speeding it up so it doesn't take that long for you guys. But as you can see, the number goes up. Those are all going to get shared. And once you get to the bottom, you could click that button. But before I do that, I'm going to go back up because I went through a few of my promo listings. If you've got sale listings or promo listings, I usually make them somewhere in the range of $8,000. You don't really need to share those, right? Old shop and share for me, or old clearance or sales. I just unclick those before I share. And then up here, yep, super easy, share to followers. And there it goes. And we'll speed it up for you because you don't want to watch the whole process, but you can see it shares its way through. Now, you might hit a moment where it's going to check, especially if you're on the computer, if you're human or not. So you might want to check back. Don't just leave it unattended. Check back and make sure you don't have to click that box to prove you're not a robot once in a while during this process, because you're sharing super rapidly. You do resemble a robot. So click that box. I bet you anything they're going to update that and that issue will go away. But for now, that's what we're dealing with. So share. Save some money on your virtual assistants. Unfortunately for them, you don't need them anymore. And let's get sharing.